The organization was established in 2020 and then officially opened its doors in January of 2021. And since then we have flourished and fortunately been able to help the community exponentially. We've had over 3,000 unduplicated patients. That means it's not the appointments. We've had over 5,000 appointments where we've helped people to prevent disease. Like some of them came in pre-diabetic, they are not going to be diabetics now. And so we're very blessed and fortunate to be able to help this underserved community. And again, it's an honor that you all can join us here, because in this new facility, we're going to have a dental room. We're going to be able to provide so much more services. Dentistry, optometry, we even have an x-ray room. And this is all going to be free of charge to all patients who have no insurance and who are impoverished. So it's a huge blessing to be able to do that, and in our own space now. I would like to call now Vice Chairman Oliver Gilbert III. He's the Vice Chairman of the Board of County Commissioners in District 1 of Miami-Dade County.
Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Let me just say thank you. I mean, you all said you gave honor to me. I give honor to all of you. This is an extraordinary thing. This is an extraordinary thing. Listen, sitting as the mayor of Miami Gardens for years, and now sitting on the Board of County Commissioners, I'm intimately aware of the absence of significant medical care for some people in our communities. You think and I believe America to be the greatest country in the world. There are people who don't see doctors, not just on an annual basis, on a biannual basis. 4 or 5 years, people who allow disease and conditions to metastasize in their bodies because they don't have access. The idea that you're doing this, the idea that you're bringing free medical services to a community that listen, we have Live Healthy Miami Gardens. We have some of the highest blood pressure accounts in the entire state, right here, blocks from this building. People who will be diabetic, who will lose limbs because they didn't have access to people who cared enough to help them prevent it. And so what you're doing here, I stand here, often I stand and I speak for me, sometimes I'll stand and speak for my family, but now I stand and just say thank you for the people who you will serve. If they never stop, turn around and say thank you, let me say thank you for them, because the idea that you can help save their life and help them have a better life, it shouldn't go without accolade, without recognition. I really appreciate what you all are doing here. This is what makes us a community. Cities are things that exist as a function of state law.
And I hope and pray that this work that we're doing here to be accepted by God. Of course, I acknowledge Dr. Qureshi, who was the person that working hard to make this happening. Of course, his board too, the staff, the physicians, and all the employees. I ask Allah to reward them and to help them and give them all the encouragement, the wisdom, and the support.
That was time around like 2009, and then my son Muhammad passed away due to the muscular dystrophy, and I want to do something in his memory. That was the right time, right thing, and I started this. I never looked back. The whole idea is to serve the community who don't have insurance and they are below 200% poverty level.
Okay. It's working.
Make some noise, ladies, come on.
This wonderful center that he opened up to the community. I think this is going to bring a lot of access to the people that are low income, no source of medical care.
Think about this clinic.
I'm really impressed by what I've seen, and I think that it's something very important to know about, and I'm happy to be here.
It will be a very good thing for the community because all the people who are in a very low-lying areas of the, of the income can come over here for free consultation. Free.
Excellent for the community, and Dr. Zafar Qureshi did an excellent job to establishing this clinic for the
garden. Excellent job, and he's a very dedicated, very deserving, and I'm very happy with the way he's performing and taking care, and especially he's getting all the equipment here, so that way saving a lot of other people's patients' money. We appreciate as a community member. Thank you.
He has established such a beautiful free clinic for the whole community. It's not a Muslim community, it's everyone is welcome over here.
By Dr. Zafar to help the needy in this area. Can't commend him enough, and the team he has helping him.
And I'm very impressed by the work of effort that Dr. Zafar and the clinic is doing for the community, for indigent people.
I think this clinic is a blessing to this community. It's needed, the services is needed, and I'm just hoping and praying that everyone would take advantage of this moment, because we don't get moments like this often.
He's doing great. I prefer everyone. If somebody called me, I say, go, Mr. Qureshi. He's in the 2nd Avenue clinic.
As a voluntary, he gave me the opportunity to work with him as a pharmacist. So I'm doing the work as a volunteer with him, and I think his job is wonderful, and he has a great achievement in the community, and he's serving the community more than 20 years. I am happy with him. God bless him.